No animals were harmed in the process of making this. Ooh la la. Okay, hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I don't know. So I watched this video. I don't know if you guys watch Adelaine Morin, but she's been one of my favorite YouTubers forever. She just made a meal prep video and it kind of inspired me. I've always done, not always, but okay, no, I take it back. I've always packed my lunch, like for work, school, whatever. Like I hate spending money on going out to eat or my lunch. Like at school when I was in college, like it was so expensive. And so now that I'm vegan especially, and like on a pretty demanding workout plan, having meals, like healthy meals ready to go is super important. She made this salad and I'm gonna do like a vegan iteration of it, I guess, kind of. We're gonna meal prep. Today's Sunday, so I work tomorrow. So we're gonna meal prep for the week. I hope these are big enough. I got these at Walmart. I only want 5 because I really only eat like, I don't really eat breakfast that much. And if I do, I can have it here at home. And then for dinner also, like I normally just make something and have the leftovers, like for me and Graydon or whatever. So I just got some glass containers for my lunch. So they came in packs of 2. So I bought 2 of those, and then this one is like a different color. It was like $8 for the 2-pack, and they're like the Anchor brand. What are you doing?
I'm just trying to keep Spike occupied so you guys don't hear him whining in the background, because every video that Jensen makes and Spike's here, you hear him whining in the background. So this is what it's like.
Ew.
Yeah, all the skin.
I'm gonna start with this kale. It says it's washed, so I'm just gonna do like a little handful here. Kale has so much more substance in my opinion than like lettuce. I really don't eat that much salad for being vegan. Next, she used green grapes. Kind of weird. She cut them in half. Fun fact, no, I was gonna say fun fact, grapes are one of the most poisonous things for dogs. Okay, so I feel like this is a good amount. I'm just gonna like put it on the side. And I don't take my lunch normally, like I get a break to come home because I only live like 5 minutes from work. But it is really nice not to cook on my lunch break. Like I can literally just grab this out of the fridge. She's good to go. Let's see if she still got it. Take 2. Why don't you put chicken on it? We have chicken. I got this Gardein chicken strips, always vegan. I'm not cooking this on the stove, so I'm just gonna like put it here. I'm just gonna microwave it.
What in the heck?
90 seconds. It's not very seasoned, so I have this Let There Be flavor. My good old mother-in-law, shout out to Julie McFarland, get me this. It's just like a nice little chicken seasoning, but it has a very unique taste. And then I'm just gonna like chop it up real quick. This chicken's good because it actually has like a decent amount of protein. If I didn't have this, I would probably use chickpeas or something, garbanzo beans. I think this salad is supposed to be inspired by Sweet Green, which I've never been to, but there's one in Austin. So I'm gonna put it, I don't really know like how much I have to spare. I feel like that's about as good as I can get it. There's rice that goes in it, the minute rice, but I'm gonna use the brown rice instead of the white rice because it's just a little bit thick. more mindful. So it only goes in for a minute. I like to open it and put just like a little bit of water. I think I microwave 2 at once. Just gotta do more. So I'm gonna put half of this, half of each cup. This salad's gonna be like 200 calories, I swear. It's not gonna be very much. Mike's like, who are you talking to? Just put half of the thing of rice in there. I know there's nuts that go in there, or go in here, but I forgot to get them. And also, nuts add so much calories. Not that I like forgot on purpose, because I totally didn't. But they really do add like a lot of unnecessary calories that I feel like I don't benefit from. Since I don't have the nuts, I think I'm gonna just add some cucumbers so that there's like an extra crunch. I would add like tomatoes and stuff, but it normally makes it like runny. Like, you ever had a runny salad? I like dressing, but I'm not like the biggest fan of dressing because it can really make or break a salad. I have a fall Bath & Body Works candle going and it smells amazing, even though it was like 90 degrees today. Ooh la la. She looks amazing. She's vegan. No animals were harmed in the process of making this besides Spike, who's probably gonna get a spanking if he keeps crying. And I'm gonna just like use this on the side. I'm not gonna put it on there or like in a little cup. But this is the Brianna's home style vinaigrette. It's really good. It's got a lot of sodium. It's pretty salty, but just gonna like Walmart. I like the Trader Joe's like vegan dressings too, but I have not been there in a week. Obviously the salad is not enough for lunch for me. Like the way I work out and everything, like I eat a lot, honestly. I have a pretty high calorie count every day, just because the volume of cardio and lifting I'm doing. I got these Cliff bars. They are vegan. It says may contain milk, but milk and eggs and everything is not an active ingredient. They're the chocolate brownie. These ones are so good. So if I just have like one every day, and then a good old sparkling water is always super good. This is the caffeinated Good and Gather. So it's from Target. Hibiscus and yeah, pear hibiscus. They're really good. They have about the same amount of caffeine in it as like a Coke or like a cup of tea maybe. And then also snacks that this is kind of like a side, snacks I like to bring to the office, whatever. These are super good for a vegan snack, and Hippies is made out of chickpeas, so they have some protein in them. So this is a good snack if you want to like put them in Ziploc baggies so that there's portions. Also, they do make like the small like snack packs, but these were on sale at Target, so that's why I bought them. Also, I have this Beyond Meat jerky. I actually have never even heard of this until yesterday when I saw it in the checkout at Walmart. It's pretty good. It's got like a nice little spice and there's a decent amount of protein in it, so. Man, I'm like really chewing on this. Last but not least, I got these nectarines. Kind of like peaches. That's perfect. There's just enough, one for each day. I like to make coffee and put it in like mason jars to bring to the office, so you can like seal it when you're on your way there and then like drink it at your desk when you're there. But also this Suja Uber Greens juice is good to bring. You can kind of like meal prep those by putting them in mason jars, just like this. I think I got these at Walmart. And like I try really hard to drink this kind of stuff because it's really good for you, helps you with your detox. But yeah, I think since I'll come home for my lunch tomorrow, I'm just gonna pour it in a glass. So that is it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that being vegan can sound really intimidating to try, and I know there's a lot of people out there who eat like primarily plant-based, even if you're not completely vegan. Like even just like one meal every day or every other day still makes a huge difference in your life, in your diet, and in the environment. So hopefully you guys found this video to be informational and maybe gave you a little bit of a insight on how to eat vegan. Super easy. If I wasn't filming and talking to you guys, this probably would have only taken me like 10 minutes to throw together. And it's, you know, a Sunday night, like it's just really important to be put together and ready and prepared for the week, because I feel like it'll make life and work easier for you when you know that you have a good meal ready to go. As far as like dinner meal preps, making like a big pot of something like mac and cheese or like spaghetti, something like that is super good. Or if you're a light eater in the evening, these type of salads are also super good. So probably make another one of these here soon. But when you're exercising and you're starving all the time like me, it's super easy to want to buy junk food because it's easy to grab. But this is like something that's easy to grab, but it's healthy. You have anything to say?
That is very, very satisfying. Very, very satisfying.
It's just for the picture. I'm gonna put these back up.
Like a copy and paste on all of them. She's good at what she does. If you guys couldn't tell, yeah.
Whatever.
Very good at what she does.
Well,
you guys should get on this too, because she knows what's up. She really does. And hey, if any guys are watching, we got our pizzas that were just made. Hers, you cut it first if she's vegan, okay? I'm gonna cut hers first, and then I'm gonna cut mine. That way there's no cross-contamination, okay? Just so you guys know, you never know. If you don't say it, nobody's gonna hear it, so.
okay. Satisfying. That's right, get on my shot. Fits perfectly. These are my like dinner meal preps. I made a TikTok about this buffalo mac and cheese, and this is like a vegan fettuccine with beef. That's all. Say thank you, subscribe. Say give me carrots. Okay.